Hey, what up guys? It's your girl Esta, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun, and you already know what time it is. I am here to basically give you the tea. And listen, you see, I'm mad comfortable. I need you guys to get really comfortable too. But before you get comfortable, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also click that bell notification so you could get alerts when I post a new video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into it. Alright, so I basically wrote down some of the things that some people with locks don't really want to answer, and I'm basically catering to the Microlocs sisters because I don't have sister locks. It could be a similarity to where, yes, they are the same, one and the same is the interlock. Okay, yeah, okay, we don't want to get into it because I know there's some Microlocs sisters and some. Okay, we're not going to go into it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and answer some of these questions because I don't think I've seen anybody answer these questions. So I'm gonna go ahead and bite the bullet and give you the tea. So the first one is, what's my hair type? Okay, so before, when I was watching YouTube videos, before I started my own channel, I was always curious of other people's hair type. And like, you know, try to see the similarities of their hair type with my hair type and try to see if the products work for their hair might work for my hair. Now, everybody knows that everyone's hair is different. Everyone's hair is different. We are different DNAs, different hair strands, or whatever it is. But I'm gonna say this. That's a question we don't like to answer. I'm telling you that now. I don't like answering that question, but I answer it, but I don't like answering it. Why? Because we all have different hair textures, and I believe that what works for someone else might not work for you, but you can, how can I say, manipulate it to work for your hair. And that's the reason why I have the North Hair Care products, which is all natural hair products. Shameless plug, but it's all natural hair products, and everyone that I know that has different hair texture than mine, it works marvelously. So that's the reason why I don't like answering that question, and because I have so many different textures in my hair, all of them. So it's annoying sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. Do I have holes in my locks? Yes, it's inevitable. Do I fix it? Yes. Is there a repair video coming out? No, because it's the same repair video that somebody else has, because it's... Have any of my locks fell out? Yes. Yes. The ones that be in the front, sometimes they just be falling out. Yes. Hair falls out sometimes. We fall down and we get up. Do I always sleep with my head covered with a bonnet, a do-rag, something to cover my head? No. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I don't feel like it. Sometimes it's hot in the middle of the night and the do-rag is suffocating my scalp and I can't breathe in the head. Not all the time. I feel like not all the time. That's one of the answers that I know most people don't want to answer, but answer anyway, but don't really like answering. Yeah, no. Do I moisturize or oil my hair? Do trees need water? Does the grass need dew? Do you need water when you're thirsty? If you'd answered yes to any of those questions, you have it there. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. And I just want to give a small side note. I don't want anybody to feel offended in any of these questions that I posted on here. It's just for humorous laughter, and I'm pretty sure on a day-to-day basis, you go to work and somebody asks you these questions like,
really?
but anyways, I will see you guys on the flip side. Hi, it's me again. I know you guys like bonus clips, so I recorded one when my hair is wet. Like, I think I washed my hair, but this is what my hair texture looks like while it's wet. Zoomed in, because a lot of people are interested in my hair texture. This isn't funny, but it is. Sorry. But here's the clip. Hi, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, bye.